Hello and welcome to HW News. A day after Mumbai police said that it has unearthed a major TRP scam to manipulate the television rating points, a new twist has been added to the matter. Yesterday, in his press conference, Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh named 3 TV channels including Arnab Goswami's Republic TV, Fakt Marathi and Box Cinema. He said that people were bribed to watch a particular channel so that the TRPs are manipulated. TRP is what is considered by the advertisers and investors when putting money or investing in a company that runs these channels. To get the advertisements, these TRPs are very important, and thus you see there is always the race to declare that the news channel are number one in terms of viewership. Now, Parambir Singh further said that the investigation is on, some accused have been arrested, and promoters and directors of Republic will be summoned for investigation. Soon after the press conference, Republic Media Network and its founder Arnab Goswami refuted the allegations and accused Mumbai Police Commissioner of a witch hunt. He also said that the city police is naming Republic only because they were not happy with the channel's coverage of Palghar lynching case and Sushant Singh Rajput case. Arnab Goswami further said that he will file a defamation suit against Mumbai police. However, the entire matter has now taken a new twist with the original FIR in the matter coming out. The original FIR copy, on basis of which the initial investigation was carried out, mentioned Republic TV's rival channel India Today and not Republic. As per the Mumbai Police Commissioner, the complaint was filed by Hansa Research against some of their ex-employees who could have misused the data on the households where the TRP monitoring system, which is also known as barometer, were installed. Some current employees could also be involved and some insiders could be involved, and it's a cheating case that is a breach of trust, and this complaint was turned into an FIR. Parambir Singh said that crime branch discovered that some employees of Hansa have been manipulating the sampling meter service by paying people to watch a particular TV channel. Crime branch arrested one Vishal Ved Bhandari, who revealed that he used to increase TRP of media channels by offering money to the panel homes. During their interrogation with the people who were induced, these homeowners agreed that they had received money to even keep their TV sets switched on to a particular channel even if they did not want to watch it. Now, this is what Parambir Singh claimed in the press conference. The FIR was, however, registered on October 6, 2020, and the FIR, as I said, mentioned India Today and not Republic TV. So the question is, why did the Mumbai police name Republic TV in the press conference, and why did it not mention India Today as having mentioned in FIR? Now, Mumbai police say that a day after the complaint, they issued notice to BARC on October 7, where it said that Vishal Ved Bhandari, who has been arrested, has claimed that he manipulated the barometers to watch Republic TV for monetary consideration. Therefore, Republic TV is being investigated. Now, Republic TV's name is only mentioned in the notice given to the BARC under Section 91 of CRPC requesting information on Republic TV. Mumbai police has not given any statement during the press conference on whether they will investigate India Today or yet to investigate India Today or any other details regarding the investigation around India Today. Meanwhile, the police has summoned some of the employees of Republic Today. They have said that they will also call advertisers for questioning to ascertain whether they were involved in the crime or were victim of it. The scam amount, they say, is close to 100 crores. There have been reactions coming in from political class as well. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said that media should not be TRP driven and assured action if there is an issue. In an interview to Times Now, Javadekar said that TRP system is managed by BARC, a creation of the broadcasters themselves. So, if there are any problems, they should improve the system by themselves, and we are with them. He further said that media should not be TRP driven, and it is not one channel. There are 3 channels which have been named. Now, whether all the 3 are careless or if the complaint is true, the court will look into it. Meanwhile, several BJP leaders, including the party president, hit out at the Congress party for their alleged witch hunt against the media. He said that if the Congress, their alliance partners and ecosystem feel their incompetence and inefficiency can be hidden by whimsical witch hunts against media, they are mistaken. Instead, they should learn what democracy is and practice a democratic temperament. Well, the politics will go on in the matter, and it is turning out to be a full-blown face-off between Mumbai Police versus Republic TV. But the question is, will the media channels, media owners at least now introspect the model on which the entire TV news system is built? Should there be reforms? Should there be changes? Well, since there is a lot of news regarding TRP and a lot of headlines regarding what exactly is TRP, our managing editor Mr. Sujit Nair is doing an editorial today around TRP. He will explain what exactly is TRP. He will be talking to some eminent personality and he will explain what exactly is TRP, how TRP is decided and how it affects the advertisement and investment in a particular channel. So don't forget to watch today's editorial as well. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app. Choose the language you prefer to get updates in and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.